Join me as I try to prove that I can make $1,000 every single day using just ChatGPT. It's an AI tool that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and I'm thrilled to show you how I've been able to leverage it to earn a significant income. Making money online can be tough. We've all seen those get-rich-quick schemes and empty promises that never seem to deliver. And even when we do find a legitimate way to earn some cash, it's often not enough to make a real difference in our lives. I know I've been there too, feeling frustrated and stuck, wondering if it's even possible to achieve financial freedom. One of the biggest problems is that most people don't know where to start. They're not sure what kind of business to build, what products to sell, or how to market themselves online. And even when they do take the first step, they often get discouraged by the lack of results or the sheer amount of competition out there. But here's the thing, AI tools have changed the game. They've opened up new opportunities for people to earn money online, often with little to no experience. It's opened up new opportunities, allowed me to scale my business, and given me the financial freedom I've always wanted. And I truly believe that it can do the same for you. So, if you're tired of struggling to make money online, if you're ready to tap into the power of AI, GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel, is an all-in-one marketing automation platform designed for businesses, agencies, and entrepreneurs. It offers tools for building funnels, automating email and SMS marketing, managing CRM pipelines, running social media campaigns, and creating membership sites. With powerful AI-driven automation, GoHighLevel helps streamline lead generation, customer follow-ups, and sales conversions, making it a go-to solution for scaling online businesses efficiently. To get started with GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel, and ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, the first step is to create a free trial account on the GoHighLevel platform. After successfully signing up, the next step is to import a snapshot, which is a pre-built marketing funnel containing landing pages, email automation sequences, and other essential elements. If a shared snapshot link is available, it can be directly imported into the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is done by navigating to the settings section and selecting the option to import a snapshot. Once the snapshot is uploaded or linked, it can then be assigned to a sub-account. Creating a sub-account helps organize the funnel and automation tools in one place. With the snapshot imported, the next phase involves customizing the funnel to align with the affiliate marketing goals. The funnel consists of a landing page that serves as the primary touchpoint for potential customers. Within the GoHighLevel dashboard, the landing page can be accessed under the Sites section. Editing the landing page involves modifying the headline and subheadline to make it more compelling, updating the call to action button to direct traffic to the affiliate offer, and replacing default images or videos with personalized content. A lead capture form should also be configured to collect essential visitor information such as email addresses and phone numbers. In addition to customizing the landing page, the automation sequences also need to be reviewed and updated. This can be done by accessing the automation section in the dashboard and modifying the preloaded email sequence that was imported with the snapshot. The email content should be adjusted to match the specific affiliate product being promoted, and all links should be replaced with the unique affiliate tracking link. Once all the changes have been made, the automation sequence should be activated to ensure that potential leads receive follow-up emails encouraging them to complete the desired action. To enhance the effectiveness of the funnel, ChatGPT can be utilized for content creation. ChatGPT can generate high-converting headlines, compelling descriptions for landing pages, and engaging call-to-action phrases. It can also be used to create email sequences that nurture leads and encourage conversions. Beyond email marketing, ChatGPT can assist in generating blog posts that drive organic traffic to the affiliate funnel. By providing a topic such as how AI automation can help businesses grow, ChatGPT can generate a well-structured article that includes relevant keywords and a call to action directing readers to the funnel. Social media content, including captions and video scripts, can also be generated to maintain audience engagement across different platforms. Once the funnel and content are in place, traffic needs to be directed to the landing page. Free traffic sources such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook groups, and blog posts can be leveraged to attract an audience. Short-form videos demonstrating the benefits of the tool being promoted can be posted on TikTok and YouTube with a call to action prompting viewers to check the link in the bio. In Facebook and LinkedIn groups related to business and marketing, valuable insights can be shared, along with a funnel link to attract potential customers. Posting blog articles optimized for search engines can also help generate traffic over time. For those looking to accelerate results, paid advertising strategies can be implemented. Facebook and Instagram ads can be used to target business owners and entrepreneurs interested in automation. YouTube ads can be created to showcase the benefits of the tool in an engaging format. Google ads can be utilized to target high-intent search terms such as best AI automation tools for businesses. Retargeting strategies using Facebook and Google Pixels can also help bring back visitors who did not take immediate action on the landing page. As the funnel starts generating traffic, it is essential to track performance and optimize conversions. The analytics section in HighLevel provides insights into visitor behavior and conversion rates. If leads are not progressing through the email sequence, adjustments can be made to improve the email copy and engagement strategy. Landing page elements, such as the headline and call to action, can be tested and refined based on data. To achieve advanced level success using HighLevel, GoHighLevel, and ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, a strategic and automated approach is essential. This involves leveraging AI-powered automation, advanced integrations, data-driven optimization, and omnichannel marketing to maximize conversions and profitability. A sophisticated funnel should include multiple entry points, such as landing pages, quizzes, and surveys, instead of a single opt-in page. A dynamic quiz funnel, powered by conditional logic, helps segment users based on their interests and pain points. HighLevel allows for automation that sends personalized follow-ups depending on quiz responses, which significantly boosts engagement and conversions. By setting up AI-powered SMS and voicemail drops, users who sign up can instantly receive personalized messages addressing their specific needs. These messages, generated by ChatGPT, should use behavioral triggers to automatically adjust the sales pitch based on user interactions. For example, if a lead doesn't open the first email, a follow-up SMS can be sent with a different hook. Rather than sending generic follow-up emails, HighLevel combined with ChatGPT can create highly personalized, AI-driven email sequences tailored to each lead's behavior and preferences. Using predictive analytics, ChatGPT can generate unique email variations depending on whether a lead clicked a link, engaged with previous emails, or watched a video. HighLevel's built-in AI can analyze open rates and automatically optimize subject lines and email copy based on past performance. Additionally, an AI-powered chatbot can be integrated into HighLevel's website chat feature to handle objections in real time. This chatbot, trained with prompts from ChatGPT, can act as a virtual sales assistant, guiding prospects toward taking action. Relying on a single traffic source is risky, so advanced marketers use AI-driven omnichannel outreach. By integrating HighLevel with TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even WhatsApp automation, engagement increases significantly. HighLevel's automation tools can sync with social media DMs, allowing AI-powered auto-replies via Instagram and Facebook Messenger. This ensures potential leads get instant responses without manual effort. ChatGPT-generated responses can be programmed into these auto-replies, making them feel natural and engaging. By integrating Zapier with HighLevel and TikTok or Facebook lead ads, leads can automatically be sent into HighLevel CRM, where AI-driven workflows take over. Leads can be segmented into hot, warm, and cold categories based on AI-scored engagement, and custom nurturing sequences can be activated for each group. To maximize retargeting efficiency, using HighLevel's pixel tracking allows automatic retargeting ads to be triggered for non-converting leads. These ads can be tailored using AI-generated copy and personalized video messages, ensuring re-engagement through multiple touchpoints. Live or automated webinars powered by AI increase conversions significantly. Instead of relying solely on text-based landing pages, AI-generated webinar funnels can educate leads before selling to them. ChatGPT can generate a structured webinar script, covering objections, FAQs, and storytelling elements to increase engagement. HighLevel's automation tools can then handle sending AI-personalized email reminders before the webinar, automatically following up via SMS or voicemail drops, using pre-recorded AI-generated voice responses to simulate live Q&A for an even more immersive experience. AI avatars, from tools like Synthesia, can create video presentations, making the webinar feel highly professional and personalized. For affiliates promoting high-ticket offers, the follow-up process requires a more sophisticated AI-powered strategy. Instead of generic follow-ups, ChatGPT can craft a long-form sales email series that mirrors human-like storytelling. HighLevel allows the integration of AI-driven dynamic video sales letters, VSLs, where different leads receive different video pitches based on their engagement history. By tracking user interactions within the CRM, an AI-powered retargeting strategy can automatically adjust the messaging to resonate with each prospect. HighLevel CRM pipeline management helps prioritize the most engaged leads, sending them to human sales reps or AI-assisted sales bots that guide them through the purchasing process. For leads needing additional persuasion, AI-generated personalized case studies, testimonials, and urgency-driven offers can be sent to encourage decision-making. For paid traffic, instead of running generic Facebook or Google ads, AI-powered ad testing is the key to rapid scaling. ChatGPT can generate multiple variations of ad headlines, descriptions, and angles. HighLevel's split testing feature can then automatically allocate more budget to the highest performing ads. For organic content, ChatGPT can create an entire SEO-driven content calendar with high-ranking keywords related to the affiliate product. By using HighLevel's blog feature, an AI-generated article series can be scheduled, ensuring consistent organic traffic growth. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about funnel automation. Building an authority brand using AI ensures long-term success. HighLevel allows the creation of a branded membership site, where AI-generated content, courses, guides, case studies, can be delivered to a growing audience. By leveraging ChatGPT, an entire AI-powered affiliate marketing course can be created and sold as an additional income stream while simultaneously nurturing leads toward the main affiliate offer. HighLevel's automation can handle membership access, automated upsells, and personalized coaching sequences, ensuring deeper customer engagement. Mastering HighLevel and ChatGPT at an advanced level means moving beyond simple funnels and into a fully automated AI-driven business ecosystem. By combining behavioral automation, hyper-personalized email sequences, AI-powered chatbots, multi-channel outreach, webinar funnels, and predictive retargeting, affiliate marketers can scale exponentially while minimizing manual effort. The future of affiliate marketing lies in AI-driven automation, and those who leverage HighLevel and ChatGPT strategically will dominate their niches while achieving consistent, scalable passive income. If you want to take your income to the next level, then make sure to watch my other videos for more tips and strategies. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had any success with AI, or do you have any questions about how to get started?